Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into geometric series. I'll break it down step by step to make it easy to understand. Let's start with the definition. A geometric series is simply the sum of the n terms of a geometric sequence. The sum of the first n terms of a geometric series is equal to the first term multiplied by the fraction, where the numerator is 1 minus common ratio raised to the power of n, and the denominator is 1 minus r. Let's find the sum of the first 10th terms of the series, 2 plus 8 plus 32 plus 144, and so on. First, we need to check if this is a geometric series or not. To figure out if the given series is geometric or not, we need to look for a pattern by checking if there's a consistent ratio between consecutive terms. Is this a geometric series? First, we need to check by determining if the ratio between consecutive terms is constant. The sequence terms 2, 8, 32, and 144 are given. As you can see, each term is 4 times the previous term, so the ratios between consecutive terms are equal. This means it's a geometric series, and the common ratio is 4. If it's a geometric series, to find the sum of the first 10 terms, we'll use the summation formula. Let's substitute the values into the formula. Given the first term u equals 2, the common ratio r equals 4, and the number of terms n equals 10, now we need a calculator to finalize the answer and get the sum of the first 10 terms is 699,050. Can we calculate the sum of all terms of an infinite geometric series? That depends on the common ratio. If absolute value of r is greater than -1 and equal to 1, the series is divergent, meaning the sum of the infinite terms cannot be calculated. If the common ratio r is between -1 and 1, it means absolute value of r is less than 1. The series is convergent, and we can find the sum of the infinite terms. Let me explain why. If the absolute value of r is greater than 1, the series is divergent. For example, if r equals 2, then as r is raised to higher powers, like 2 to power of infinity, it approaches infinity. This makes the sum of all terms impossible to calculate, as it keeps growing indefinitely. Therefore, the series is considered divergent. Now, if the common ratio r is between -1 and 1 or absolute of r is less than 1, the series is convergent. For example, if r equals 1 over 2, then as r is raised to higher powers, like 1 over 2 to power of infinity, it approaches 0. This means the terms get smaller and smaller, and the sum of all terms can be calculated. Therefore, the series is convergent. Sum of the all terms formula can be written in that form. Now, let's dive into solving a different question involving a geometric series. I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start with the repeating number, which is decimal 0 point repeating number 7, which can be written as 0.7 plus 0.07 plus 0.007, and so on. To find the common ratio, we observe that the first term is 0.7 and the second term is 0.07. To get the second term from the first, we multiply by the common ratio. From this, it's clear that the common ratio is 0.1. Since the common ratio is between -1 and 1, we can calculate the sum of all terms. Now, let's substitute the first term is 0.7 and the common ratio is 0.1 into the sum of an infinite geometric series formula. So, the sum of the infinite terms is 7 over 9. Today, we covered geometric series. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. To get even more benefit, don't forget to check out my past paper question solution videos as well. See you next time!